Apple just dropped its most futuristic move yet, liquid glass displays. Transparent. It looks like something from the future. But here's the real story. This isn't just about screens. It's about how Apple introduces change, and how you can too. Think about it. AirPods launched when Bluetooth was still glitchy. USB-C arrived when we still clung to USB-A. The home button vanished. Then came eSIM, and now liquid glass. Before we even ask for it. Apple doesn't just remove features, they pave the road before people are ready to walk it. Steve Jobs knew this. He had the iPad before the iPhone, but he waited because no one trusted that much screen, not until it fit in their pocket first. Change, done right, has rhythm. Apple follows a loop. Remove, replace, refine, scale. It's not just product strategy, it's change management. So if you're launching AI, new software, or a mindset shift, don't just ship the future. Design the on ramp to it. Normalize the discomfort. Give people a glimpse. Let them grow into what's next. Liquid glass isn't just a design, it's a lens into how transformation actually works. Ready to lead change? Wanted sustainable change? That is what we do. Visit our website,